This guide will show you how to purchase using the Tecdoc parts catalogue in the Simple Purchase screen. To start with, you need to go to the left-hand side and select Franchise Point of Sale. Then open the Purchase folder and select the purchase order. To create a new purchase order, you need to click in the white space around the header and press F3. You will then need to click again in the white space to automatically fill in the purchase order number and the dates. Now go to Select Vendor on the right-hand side of your screen. You can now search for the vendor using their name, their postcode or their city. Select the line of the vendor you wish to choose and then click OK. This will then bring in the vendor's information into the purchase order. Now go to the menu on the right-hand side of the screen and select Catalogue. This will then open the new Tecdoc parts catalogue. To search via the registration number, type the details into the GB VRM. You can then click Search at the bottom of your screen. This will open the parts catalogue, but will only show you the parts which are suitable for the vehicle used. The images at the bottom of the screen represent the different categories of parts you can choose from. So in this case, I chose the brake system. Brake system will then appear in the column on the left-hand side. If you press the plus button next to brake system, it will provide you with a drop-down list of selections. There may be more options to narrow down your search, so in this case, disc brake. Once you have made your selection, just click on the part you would like to view. You will then see a list of manufacturers to choose from, so in this case, I'm going to choose ABS. You will then be provided a list of parts made by the manufacturer which are suitable for the vehicle chosen. To add a part to your purchase order, click on the shopping trolley. This will then add it into your shopping basket, as you can see at the top of your screen. If you would like to view all the parts in the catalogue, not just the ones specific for that vehicle, you can press Universal at the top of your screen. This will give you a list of all the parts available, and there's a text box at the bottom of the screen which will allow you to search. To search for parts by the vehicle or by the part number, go to Vehicle/Article Search. This will then take you back to the original screen. You can then search on the part number by typing it in to the article number and clicking Search. This will give you a list of products that link to that number. Check what the product group is on the left-hand side and then select the manufacturer you require. You can then add the product in the same way by clicking on the shopping trolley. If you would like to check your shopping basket, click on the shopping basket link at the top of your screen. Here you can view the items in your shopping basket. You can delete the items using the minus button, or you can change the quantity that you require. Once you are happy with this selection, close the window down in the top right hand corner and press Get Basket. This will then bring the item into your purchase order. You will now need to add in the costs and the prices for your item, as if you would do on a normal purchase order. Once you have done this, you will then need to press Next in the right hand menu, and then you need to press Credit Invoice and then OK. You will then need to select the payment terms by pressing the up arrow and selecting from the list that is available. Once you have clicked OK, this will then process that purchase order. Once your purchase order has been processed, we can then check whether the item has been booked in successfully. If you go to the menu on the left-hand side and select Match Code, you can then search at the bottom of the screen for the brake. You can also search by part number. The item will then come up in the screen to show that it has been booked into stock. Now we've reached the end of your guide. For more guides, please visit bit.ly/gripsguides or call the Grips support team on 0208 328 9818.